Dr. Hutson is adamant that the education system needs teachers who will be an inspiration to students now more than ever as the country grapples with the negative impacts of the global COVID-19 pandemic. He made a passionate call for educators to be inspired, purposeful, and passionate in the execution of their duties.
Chair, without these elements, we will not see the need to do differently as we fight for the cause of the delivery of education. Madam Chair, we must be conscious that our progress as a nation can be no swifter than our progress in education, and that the human mind is our fundamental resource.
While the country is in the midst of a health emergency that has presented countless challenges to the once thriving education system, the onus is on the educators to showcase determination, which will ensure that all students are adequately served, especially in the remote areas of the country, Dr. Hutson said. This, he believes, can be attained through stronger collaboration among stakeholders.
There is the need to adopt a holistic approach to education delivery by working with all our stakeholders, including our teachers, parents, and the wider community. Chair, we are dealing with hard truths, and this is why collaboration is essential.
He lauded the timely execution of the second annual Biennial Teaching Conference for Tertiary educators, since it seeks to strategically address the negative impacts of the global COVID-19 pandemic on the country's education system. While the aim of the conference is to formulate solutions to respond to the challenges presented by the pandemic, Dr. Hutson conveyed that it is not enough to simply discuss these pressing issues if real change is to be achieved.
That it will point us to ways in closing existing gaps, thus drawing us closer to the attainment of Sustainable Development Goal 4 that addresses issues of access, quality, equity, inclusivity, and lifelong learning in the education delivery process.
The three-day conference, which was facilitated by the University of Guyana, commenced on Monday. It is expected that the inputs of distinguished researchers, educators, and other key stakeholders will be utilized in an effort to find solutions to the challenges presently affecting the delivery of tertiary education. It is being held under the theme Emergency Remote Teaching, Leading and Learning. For the HGP Nightly News, Kendell Richmond.